Hello over there at Land Dynamics Landscaping. I want to thank you first of all for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with the Bondless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was told Steve would be the correct person to send this to, so I hope you're watching, Steve. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website. I decided to contact you afterwards. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on what you can do to improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video, though, you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and even try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's nice. I really like your website. There's really no text content here, but overall the links seem to be working. The navigation is fairly smooth. Typically you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will of course improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically. Without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious that your intentions are to throw these keywords but scattered without protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You want to avoid that always. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. Google algorithms, keep in mind, search for a more natural feel of a website. So you pretty much don't have any text content here. You have this 2 sentences. The services looks like you don't have any type. I mean, it's not mandatory, but if you are looking to rank, that's one of the protocols you would like to add to your website. Let's jump into Ahrefs real quick here. This is a paid tool, of course. You can go onto the website of Ahrefs if you don't mind paying for it, and then just type in your, yeah, this is yours. Type in your website here, and it'll give you whatever you have going on in the background of your website. For example, I'll get into this fairly quickly. Let me just say that organically, on a monthly basis, you're not getting any traffic onto your website. You do have organic keywords, a quantity of 3. Referring domains 21, backlinks 54. The keyword section is, for example, if I jump onto Google and I type in landscaping Riverside, California, for example, that is an actual keyword that you would like to see onto your website. That is what gives boost to your website and shows Google that that is where you're pretty much trying to find customers, etc., and where you offer your services. The backlink section is the second thing I like to talk about. When you think about the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your is the UR level here. This would be your backlink sections. You do have 54 according to Ahrefs here. This is not precise. There's no tool out there that gives you exact or position that is not very precise. But you do have 54 or around 54. Is giving you a 6 rating. That's pretty much not good. Even with time, it's not going to go. Instead, it'll decrease if you're not adding backlinks on a monthly basis. So just keep in mind that the UR and the DR, keeping it in a 1-to-1 ratio is good practice. It's what Google algorithms would like to see. The DR, moving on to the DR, is a citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed through the website in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is. Again, the DR meter is your citation here. And we'll compare this to your competitor. Looks like this is your competitor here, PAZ Landscape. Not sure how to pronounce that, Paz Landscape and Concrete. This company is on the first page of Google. What they have in the background: 531 backlinks, 23 referring domains, 24 organic keywords. Again, with the keywords, very important. They are getting 25 people jumping into the website, but if the keywords are not buyer intent keywords in, from the location, from your locale, that's just gonna pretty much makes no point if I search for landscaping in my area and your company pops out, but I'm all the way across the country. Kind of makes no sense. So if you have the keywords, why not take the? I'm sorry, if you have the correct keywords, why not take the 25 buyer intents from your location traffic going onto your website, right? That's pretty much what you want to see. It's pretty much what you're looking for. Looks like they do have something going for them. I'm not sure if they have the SEO services. Probably not. They probably stopped, but it looks like they're declining, so they're going down. This would be pretty much easy to beat, to tell you the truth. Pretty sure you could have, improve your ranking in Google. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, or citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunity, calls and leads and all that good stuff. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care, Steve. Bye-bye.